Hi there, welcome to Turbo Finance, your guide to finance. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that can literally change your financial situation, creating your first budget. Now, before you think budgeting sounds complicated or restrictive, let me assure you, it's actually the opposite. Budgeting is empowering. It puts you in control of your money, helps you reach your financial goals, and ultimately leads you to financial freedom. So, why exactly should you budget? Simple. Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going, keeps you out of unnecessary debt, boosts your savings, and ensures you're investing in your future wisely. But where do you even start? Step number 1. Identify your income. Grab a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app, and list out every source of income you receive monthly. This includes your salary, freelance income, side hustles, everything. It's essential to be precise here, because this forms the basis of your budget. Step number 2. Track your expenses. Now for this, you'll want to gather recent bank statements, receipts, or credit card bills. Go through each transaction and categorize it into essential and non-essentials. Essentials are things like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Non-essentials might be dining out, entertainment, or subscriptions. Seeing your expenses categorized clearly can be eye-opening. You might discover you spend way more on coffee runs or eating out than you realized, and that's completely okay. Awareness is the first step toward better financial habits. Step 3. Set clear financial goals. Why are you budgeting in the first place? Are you saving for an emergency fund, vacation, debt repayment, or retirement? Write down these goals clearly and use the SMART approach: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, save $3,000 for an emergency fund within 12 months. Step 4 is choosing a budgeting method. There are a few popular options like the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, and the envelope system. Check out our video on budgeting methods where we explore various budgeting methods in great detail. Today, we highlight the 50-30-20 rule, which is great for beginners. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Let's quickly break this down. Say you earn $2,000 per month after tax. You'd spend $1,000 on essentials like rent, grocery, and utilities, $600 on things you want like entertainment and dining, and save or repay debt with the remaining $400. Easy, right? Step 5. Create your actual budget. Use your chosen method. Allocate your income into categories. Be realistic, but aim for discipline. If your current expenses exceed your income, you'll need to adjust your spending, typically starting with non-essential categories. For example, if you notice you're overspending on dining out, consider cooking at home more frequently. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Step 6. Adjust and refine your budget. A budget isn't a set it and forget it kind of thing. It's dynamic and flexible. Check your budget monthly, see how your spending aligns, and make necessary tweaks. Maybe you underestimated your grocery costs. Adjust the budget next month and continue improving. Step 7. Build your emergency fund. This is a crucial part of budgeting. Ideally, set aside money each month into a separate savings account until you have about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. This protects you against financial emergencies and gives you peace of mind. Imagine suddenly losing your job or facing unexpected medical bills. Your emergency fund ensures you're covered without going into debt. Let's quickly address some common budgeting mistakes to avoid. First, don't be overly restrictive. Allow yourself some fun money. Second, don't forget irregular expenses like annual subscriptions or car maintenance. Plan ahead and save for them monthly. Finally, don't give up if you overspend occasionally. Budgeting is about progress, not perfection. To make budgeting easier, consider using budgeting tools and apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Good Budget. These tools can automate your budgeting, categorize your spending, and help you track progress effortlessly. And there you have it, your straightforward guide to creating your very first budget. Remember, budgeting is empowering. It helps you take control of your finances, achieve your dreams, and live with less financial stress. So start budgeting today and watch how quickly your financial life transforms. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Turbo Finance and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? See you next time.